There are two cables, cable A and cable B. Let me introduce the cable D first. Cable B is the one with strong group here. However, when we do not produce it, the black side will extend to the group side. When you connect this to the power case, here you can see here is already close to the power case. So when you insert this cable to the power case, it couldn't break the circuit inside. It is very good because it is already on the top, and it could work. And this is the cable A which you bought, and it has a gap between the cable and the power case. When you insert this cable to the power case and use it rudely and try to reduce the gap, it will break the power case. And here you can see it's already break it.